Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. It is good to see you all again. As always, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I wanted to jump in and share with you what I'm watching for the day on Redbox and Boxed. I've got a couple others pulled up here that I'm watching as well. So just a quick update for the day. If you don't mind, hit the like button. I will get into covering what I wanted to cover. Redbox, we're watching it. We got that little breakout finally, so it got a little bit of strength behind it. What I want to see is right now it really needs to make that bounce. This is where all of that support should come in, so we want to see that bounce sooner than later. You got a little kind of a cup and handle, which made a nice push up to what we have here, our 618 line at 492, which is good. Let's see where it goes from there. Is it going to bounce off of the trend line? Is it going to bounce somewhere around this support at $4 and call it 58 cents? And we will see what happens from there. Looking at Boxed, it's on a very nice strong trend. This trajectory obviously cannot keep up, more than likely, but we will see how many times it wants to respect this line and continue to bounce. It is looking really good. As always, just keep an eye on your accounts. There's no harm in waiting for some sort of a pullback. We don't chase. This has made a nice run today, so keep that in mind. It's looking really strong right now. What I am concerned about with the SPY overall is this kind of looks like a weak pattern. It should have broken down. We saw a lot of gap ups today, a lot of gap ups on a lot of different tickers, and coming in hot, and then for this to continue with strength would really surprise me, especially being in a pattern that should break down. I'm waiting to see if it's going to get sucked in here and play the SPY to the downside. Tesla as well in an ascending wedge here, and technically that should have broke down. It kind of defied the odds and is trying to break out right now. It is coming up to a major resistant line, so I want to see if this is also going to get sucked down with the SPY. We can see the SPYs coming down, so I'm looking for weakness in Tesla and the SPY. Overall, I don't know if it has any impact at all on Redbox. You know, this is just a play outside of all realm of reality, so it's going to do what it wants to do. On the other hand, Boxed, if we see a significant pullback in the markets, I think that it could have a little bit of an impact on Boxed as well, so I'm watching carefully. Let's see if it double tops somewhere around the 209 mark, or if it just wants to continue to push right on through there with some strength and momentum. But yeah, if we break through 209, I wouldn't be surprised to see another pop, and let's see where it goes from there. We are above the MAs, so it is looking good. At some point, people are going to pull back just a little bit so that they get more in line with the MAs. Redbox was breaking over the MAs finally on the shorter time frame, which was good to see. Gave it a little bit of that breathing room, and we're just going to watch and see what happens. But I don't believe the strength in the market today. I do think there's going to be a pullback, and the pullback is what I'm watching and what I'm waiting for to play. I will probably be considering some puts if this actually gets back in and plays out like it should. Same with Tesla. So that's where my eyes are. Hope you guys have a great trading day. Enjoy the day. Hope you make money. If you don't mind, drop a like. You can always subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the updates. Stay golden, people, and may your accounts stay green.